Namaste everyone, welcome to yet another edition of the Hall of Healers interview. And today let's dig deep into the journey of Hamsa, who has been a critical part of this coaching program of our Tamasic membership and the self-healing system at Self Healers Hub. Let's dig deep into her journey. Let's go deep into this amazing journey of health. Hi Hamsa and welcome to the Hall of Healers interview.
Hi Sachin. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
All right, Hamsa, let's start before, right? Let's start with before you came into the Self Healers Hub and our coaching program, right? What were you facing in your health journeys? What issues and challenges you were facing?
Yeah, there were a lot of things like I was not accountable. I knew so many things, but I was not doing anything.
Okay.
I didn't have that energy around and no motivation to do. So, and then I wanted to lose weight. Then I wanted to improve my concentration and then control my anger. So there were so many things which I understood after the class. Like first time when I entered, I didn't know what actually. But then once we started the first class, then I realized, okay, then why I started. Then wrote down 5 big points, and then we realized, okay, these are the things which I want to do. And then I wrote it down with help of your goal cards, and then started seeing it every day and see how to achieve it slowly. And the group members were very helpful, daily at making us accountable. So yeah, I improved a lot in so many things, and yet still to work a lot on that. So I thank this group and Sachin for this opportunity. I feel to tell that.
Awesome, awesome. Hamsa, let's go a little deeper on how we were able to help you, right? So, what are the three top changes in your health you started seeing after implementing what we teach in our coaching program? What are the three top changes if you want to put it to three major changes?
One was definitely weight management.
Wow. Okay. How much did you lose?
Almost 4 kilos.
Good. Good.
Yeah, but yeah, without any like no extra exercise and all. It's just proper eating, clean eating, and
Awesome.
yoga. Nothing else
So that is
because
the
of my
beauty,
busy
right?
schedule. Yeah,
That's the beauty, right?
exactly.
It just validates the fact that you don't need to go into rigorous diets or
Correct.
rigorous exercise plan. Just clean eating, yoga, just the basics, right? Just the basics.
Correct.
4 kgs you
Correct.
lost. Amazing with just basics. Awesome. That is the first.
So yeah, that's the first one. Then understood how to eat properly,
Hmm.
how to drink properly. There were so many small things which we didn't know. Nuances of eating, like what learned a lot about the whole digestive system. Though I'm from a science background and working in a biotech company, working
Yeah.
professional, I didn't know like what time to drink water, how much to drink water, what is it. So all these are small things which we knew, but we never applied. So I
Awesome.
really applied all these things, like, and it helped a lot in losing weight. And then the second thing is uh, maybe I was doing overdoing exercise. That's why I didn't lose weight. So I reduced it a lot, and that was added point. I'm not sure, but yes, I reduced my exercise routine.
Yes.
And then yes, introspection meditation helped a lot. Like
Thank
sleep
you.
pattern improved.
Hmm.
Um, yeah, and I can see that on my hair and skin also.
Wow.
Yeah,
That is
but
beautiful.
I never had a long hair. I mean, very long back, I had a long hair when my
Hmm.
mom used to take care. But then after that, I always had a short hair. So
Mhm.
now, due to lockdown, I'm mostly at home and I have time to look after. So
Mhm.
food and no pollution. So hair is also growing and skin is also like good. So these are the major visible changes,
Awesome. So great
which
skin,
you can,
great hair, good dude. I think
yeah,
I think it's like it's a mixture of all everything, right? You start
yes,
introspecting, meditating, stress
yes,
levels started reducing a lot. Then
agreed.
you obviously are taking care of your senses, your body more. Putting oil, combing, taking care, doing self care, self love, right? And
Correct,
just
correct,
boosts up. It just boosts up, and it shows on your face. Shows on your face
correct.
everywhere. So amazing. Yes, so amazing.
One more thing I want to add is increasing the positive thoughts.
Great,
So that increases your confidence at whatever you are doing. So either
great.
you can directly say, even I've seen this in my office meetings, I can directly say, yes, I know, or I'll say, I don't know. So that
Mhm.
increase my confidence. So I
Great.
don't keep saying, oh, and all while talking. So
Awesome.
I directly say, yes, I know, or I'll say, I'll get back to you, or I say, I
Yeah.
can do it. So that
Yeah.
confidence level has increased.
Yes. So, the exercise part, what you told, right? About you reducing the exercise. Yeah. This one was there in I think in my Rajasic membership, right? Where I speak about the exercise, how much you should exercise, or how if you overdo it, you get stressed.
Again,
Right?
extra stress, and it
Yes,
will be
yes,
stressed out and bad to health. Yeah,
that is the very small nuisance. No, we don't see it often. We try to do 1 hour, we try to do 1.5 hours because exercise is good, or try to punish
correct,
ourselves.
correct.
Yes, but now you're enjoying exercise. Automatically
Yes,
you lose weight, automatically you'll do
yes,
it more. Yes, you are also telling me, right? Then it's become automatic for you now. You take care
yes,
of your health automatically.
yes,
You do
yes.
not,
No need to. Yeah,
you don't need to push
agree.
yourself. Am I right?
Correct, correct. So that's a very great thing. So
Hmm.
now I have that confidence. If I start anything also, I can do it in the same way. I don't have to stop in between for any reasons, like reading more books or
Awesome.
watching some videos which are like good videos.
Good, good.
Yeah, so those things are nice. And one more thing, I remember earlier, people used to say, no, write it down, like tables and all. They used to make us write 5 times.
Correct.
So this goal card, like write what your 5 more major thing, what you want to do, 3 changes. So when I start writing, you see it daily, no? So you know why you wrote,
Exactly.
first of all, and then why you're not doing. So that's like for yourself. Nobody need not. I don't have to scold anybody. I need to ask myself. So this is
Amazing.
one thing which I saw was very useful.
So
Very,
you're
very
saying
useful.
you read the goal card and like, yeah, why am I not
Ha.
doing this?
Yes.
That's
Yes.
amazing, Namsa. That's amazing. I'm really inspired by what you achieved in this duration with us, right? So, how much time did it take you? Like, how much time did it take you to see these changes for you, right? How much time did it take you?
3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months. Some
Yeah.
people wait for 10, 20 years for these kind of changes. You got it in 4 months. You got it in 4 months because you invested in yourself, because you took action. Okay, that is the two key things. Okay,
Correct.
that is the two key things, right? So that is the beauty of it. So I'd like to ask you one thing, right? What would you like to say to people who say these excuses, right? I don't have money to invest. I don't have time to invest for my health. I just want health like that. I just want to keep wishing for health. What is the one mantra or one success nugget you want to give to healthy nugget?
I'm not that good in giving a mantra and all, but what I would say is,
It's okay.
you have, if you wish something, you have to work for it. So you have to make time anywhere. So you can't just simply say that I'm not eating, so I have to lose weight. No, it doesn't work like that. So you have to decide where you want to do. So first thing is goal card is important. What do you want to do? For doing that, achieve small by small, take small steps, and it
Great.
will definitely you can leap in between and reach the goal quickly. But goal card, writing down, okay, if you don't want to use the term goal card, you write it down. What do you want to become? See that daily and start taking action. So this is the only thing which I would like to say.
It's coming from your experience. It's very powerful.
Yes.
You just
No, I think in one of your talk only you had mentioned about that action without manifestation, then it's not of no use. So
yeah, exactly. Yeah, but what you said is coming out of your experience, because in 3-4 months you saw what's you wrote there and it happened for you. It's happened for me also. It happens. It's a science. It's a
correct.
science. That is the beauty of getting health. And now you'll not stop. I know you won't.
Correct.
Amazing, Hansaji. Congratulations for being
Thank
in
you.
this interview, and congratulations for getting the results you deserve. All right, and people,
Yes,
if you
thanks.
want to continue your health journey with us, right, there's a link below in the description of the video. Click on that and start with your health journey with us. And thank you, Hamsaji, for being a part of this community. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you to you too.
You're
Yeah,
saying
bye. Thank you. No, I said thanks to you for all these things.
thank you so much, Hamsaji. Take care, be healthy, happy, and
Thank you.
unique. Yes.
Bye.
Thank you.